We bought this flat in March 2021. After that, we interacted with various interior designers, and through some reference, we interacted with HC Interiors. And when we have started our interaction with HC Interiors, we had a lot of deliberations with their designers, and then we came to know through Ira, right?
Yeah.
And yes, Ira was there, and
Right.
she has shown us various designs.
New concepts.
Absolutely, and that too, like it's not like in a very hastened manner. And then we had couple of weeks wherein
we discussed over the budget and the designs, and then उसके बाद final करा हमने उनके साथ. And after finalizing with the interior designers, when the work started, I really appreciate कि इन्होंने बहुत cooperate करा, and about the designings and everything they asked us before finalizing कि मैम ये ठीक है वो ठीक है. So I was satisfied with the services.
And then it's not like that once we have decided, so it is final. So but there are a couple of instances when we have finalized one thing, and then the designer came back to us and said, sir, इसमें थोड़ा सा और दिमाग लगाते हैं, इसको और beautiful बनाते हैं. Then they have shared many new concepts with us, and we really like that. The best part of this discussion was that हमारा जितना भी budget था, so rather I would say a competitive budget, so that all come within the competitive budget that we were expecting with HC Interior. It's been almost 1 month has passed.
Since we shifted, yeah.
Absolutely.
It has been handed over to us for last 1 month, and we are really satisfied with the services provided after the completion of the project as well. So basically, we are really, we recommend this High Creation Interiors because it has given us the quality and the time we needed to build a house.
Absolutely, and the best part is that it's not like that when we have paid to somebody and उसने काम कर दिया तो काम खत्म हो जाता है, and it's been almost more than a month now, and still if we find any kind of
they never
service,
denied any services.
Absolutely,
never denied.
I mean, they're just a call away. I mean, most of the time when we call them, they are here the very next day.
end, I would like to just conclude this, that I am very satisfied with the services of High Creation Interiors, and you should also get in touch with them if you want really high quality work done.
Absolutely.